Hi, I'm Kiki. I will show you how to disassemble the Commander Mini battery pack. When we operate the motherboard, we must discharge the remaining power of the motherboard. Let's begin with: open the top cover. And plug all of the power cables. Long press the power button to release the power left in the motherboard. Remove all handles. Remove tail lights. Here on the back, you only need to be loosened and do not need to take it down. Remove handlebar and headlight. Next, remove these all screws. Remove two sliding rods at the bottom. And this is key point for disassembly.